is a Scrum. A Scrum, one of the most popular agile methodology. This is one of the most popular agile methodology. The framework consists of Scrum rules, events, artifacts, and rules uses of iteration approach to deliver working product. So what this Scrum consists the roles who all are going to work, right? The events like planning, artifacts like documentation, right? And it will be using the iterative approach. That is what the iteration size, that the sprint, right? So that you can develop the working product. A Scrum emphasizes daily communication and flexible reassessment of plan, which are carried out in short iterative phases of work called a sprint. So here in the Scrum daily communication, that is, remember, daily stand-up meetings, right? We do that. That is for 15 minutes every day. We do that, right? And there is a daily reassessment we do during the daily stand-up. What we are doing, how we are doing. Is there any bottlenecks? Is there anything holding us back, right? So this is keep happening. And a Scrum is run on time box, as we have explained it many times, that the Scrum is run on the time box, which is time box is nothing but the fixed period of the time, that is 1 to 4 weeks typically. Now you can see here the roles in the Scrum, like product owner, development team, and the Scrum master. Typically, these three roles you can have in the Scrum. So who is this product owner? Responsible for maximizing the value of the product. Means he will be prioritizing the items in the backlog and analyze which item to be developed first so that it can give the highest value to the customer. So this is his responsibility. And this is the development team who will be working on the ground, right? Who will be developing the features. So cross-functional means the mix of the different background of the people, self-organized and consisting of team members. A Scrum Master, like the team leader, equivalent to the project manager, will be responsible for ensuring the Scrum processes, will be serving to the people, will be taking the impediments from the team and getting solution for it. So this is the Scrum methodology. How does a Scrum methodology work? So you can see here in the first, agile team need to select product backlog items. Here, the product owner, he has whatever the requirements is came from the executive team, stakeholders, end user, right? All the requirements taken by the product owner and listed in the product backlog. Every requirement is here in the product backlog. Now, team will meet and select the product backlog item for the upcoming iteration. This team are coming and reviewing it, as we have explained earlier in the adaptive life cycle. They are coming and reviewing this product backlog, and they will be maybe picking one, two, three, four, five, or six, or 10, or only two, or only one, depending whatever the iteration size. Let's say they have 1 4 weeks iteration size, so they will be determining in the 4 weeks how much work we can finish. So that much work only they will pick from here, right? That much work only they will pick from here, and they will pick from the top, because this has been prioritized. The list of the items in the product backlog has been prioritized by the product owner by considering highest business value, by considering the highest risky items. So that should be done first. So let's say they have picked and they picked during the sprint planning. Okay, by using various prioritization techniques, let's say Moscow, dot votings, whatever other prioritization techniques, they have selected and finalized some items, and they have here listed in the sprint backlog. Okay, so this is, they did the planning, and here whatever the items they have selected, those items are here in this in this document, that is a sprint backlog. Now this is going to be refer only by the agile team, because this will contain all the items that will be developed in this particular iteration. Now, once they have a sprint backlog, they are here, they have started working on those items. So in this 1 to 4 weeks sprints, every day, you see here, on every 24 hours, means every day they will be doing the daily Scrum meeting. That will be for 15 minutes. Every day they will be doing the daily stand-up meeting. They will be reviewing, means what is going and what challenges they are facing. Is there any obstacle? Is there any bottlenecks? Right? Is there any impediments? So that is what they are reviewing. And by keep doing this on the daily basis, once they will end with this 1 to 4 weeks iteration, this will be reviewed. And based on the review, whether it will be shippable or whether they will be getting feedback to refine it. So this is the whole cycle they will repeat again for the next iteration. They will again here come and pick rest of the items once, and then they will follow the same cycle. Once they will come here and finish, review is done. So based on the feedback, based on the new requirements, they will back to here. Again, they will do the same cycle. So this will be keep happening for all the iteration in the project. And at end of every iteration, they will be conducting the sprint retrospective